Good morning, students. Today's topic is development of conducting system of the heart. So therefore, in the development of conducting system of the heart, our first point, development of myocardium, development of cardiac muscles will be from myoepicardial mental. During the initial phase of development of cardiovascular system, I have discussed this myoepicardial mental. So simply at this stage, first point will be development of cardiac muscle fibers, that is myocardium of the heart, will be from myoepicardial mental. And it will differentiate into cardiac muscle fibers after the disappearance of cardiac jelly. So after the disappearance of cardiac jelly, the entire myocardium, the musculature of the heart, will develop. And it will develop as early as 4th week of development. So therefore, this will be 4th week of development. In the 4th week of embryonic stage, there will be development of cardiac muscle fibers. So as a result of this development of cardiac muscle fibers, the heart will start beating. Remember the timeline. The heart starts beating on day 22. On 22nd day, the heart will start pumping, beating. And by 24th day, entire blood will start its circulation in the form of cardiovascular circulation. Therefore, now, as a result of these changes, what will happen will be, our second point, there will be ventricular muscles which will develop first. So ventricular muscles will start contracting. As a result of ventricular muscles, when they start contracting, atrial muscles will also start contracting after ventricular muscles. So gradually ventricular and atrial muscles, they will start their contractions. Now atrial muscles will have a greater speed of contractions than ventricular muscles. Then what is the most important change which will take place in this conducting system? There will be development of first AV node, and there will be development of AV bundle. Now AV node and AV bundle will develop at this stage. What is the exact time? This is often asked in MCQs in 1 mark question answer. This AV node and AV bundle will develop both the structures, they will develop exactly at 6th week of intrauterine life. 6th week. Please note down. Where will they develop? Very important also. They will develop, this AV node will develop from the dorsal endocardial cushion, of the tricuspid valve, So therefore that is known as right atrioventricular valve. So therefore AV node will develop from the dorsal endocardial cushion of the right atrioventricular valve. This is the first node to develop within the conducting system, AV node and then AV bundle. Both the structures, they will develop in 6th week, and AV node will develop from the dorsal endocardial cushion of the right atrioventricular valve. Here we finish our second point. Now if we come on this side, please come on this side, our third point. After the development of AV node and AV bundle, now what will happen? Sinus venosus will gradually also start its contractions and pumping of the blood, as a result of which there will be development of second Now the second most important node will develop, and it will lead to development of SA node. When will the SA node develop? Time limit, very important. It will develop on at the, not 6, but it will develop at third month. It will develop at exactly third month of intrauterine life. Third month, SA node. Where will it develop? Now, as I told you, this is also asked in 1 mark question answer as well as an MCQ. So, where it will develop? It will develop in sinus venarum. Belonging to, this sinus venarum will belong to which portion? We know that it is the smooth posterior part of the right atrium. So, sinus venarum belonging to right atrium. And exactly at which point? At the near the orifice of superior vena cava in the crista terminalis. So therefore, this is when the sinoatrial node will develop third month, and this is the site where sinoatrial node will develop. So the second structure to develop in the conducting system will be SA node. First structure to develop was AV node and AV bundle. Second structure is SA node. Now we come to fourth point. As a result of development of AV node, AV bundle and SA node, what will happen? As a result of this, there will be contractions of ventricular and atrial muscle fibers. So all the muscle fibers of the heart will start contracting. All the muscle fibers of the heart will start contracting. As a result of which, very important, there will be increased amount of circulation. There will be increased amount of circulation of the fluid through intraembryonic coelom. This circulation of the fluid will be through the intraembryonic coelom and also through yolk sac. Also through the yolk sac. So in the initial stages, these changes will take place. Soon after the development of AV node, AV bundle and SA node, there will be increased in myocardial contractions, as a result of which there will be increased in circulation of the fluid. Which fluid? Where? The fluid which is present in intraembryonic coelom and yolk sac. And therefore in the initial stages, this fluid will provide nutrition to the embryo which is developing. Because as the blood vascular system will start, now after this the blood vascular system will start. Blood will circulate through the developed aorta and its various branches, through the various capillaries. But in the initial stage, the fetal blood circulation, see here, the fetal blood circulation in the initial stages, it will be very sluggish, very slow, because of valves which are incompetent, because of cardiac orifices which are very huge, very large, and because of less peripheral resistance. And why this peripheral resistance of the blood vessels is less? Because of non-development of musculature in blood vessels. At this stage, in the fetal stage, still the muscle fibers in the blood vessels are very few. Because of these reasons, the fetal blood circulation is very sluggish. Then also what will happen? The entire heart will receive, the entire cardiac musculature will receive its blood supply by diffusion through the capillaries as well as blood vessels. So therefore, the entire fetal blood circulation, as it is sluggish, also the entire heart will receive its blood circulation through the diffusion through the various capillaries and arteries which will develop in cardiovascular system. This much is about the conducting system of the heart. So once again I repeat, if you can come on this side please, the entire conducting system of heart, if at all it is asked, these are the points which we have to write. Point number 1, then point number 2, which is the highlight, AV node and AV bundle, location, time period. Please come on this side. Point number 3, that will be SA node, its time period and its location. And finally, last point, you have to conclude with the circulation of the fluid through the yolk sac and intraembryonic coelom, as well as the fetal blood circulation is sluggish because of the reasons which I have discussed with you. But then also in the end, the blood will circulate, the entire heart will receive its blood supply through the perfusion through this capillaries. And also, the entire blood will be passed into all the body parts, cephalic and caudal body regions, cephalic and caudal body parts through the cardiovascular system, which will start its development. That is the developed aorta, its branches, also the pulmonary circulation which will establish. So through this cardiovascular system entirely, the blood will be circulated to all the regions of the fetus, all the body parts of the fetus. Here we finish our topic of the conducting system of the heart. Thank you very much.